Ever wanted to die? Well, now you can. In liquid form. That's right. Liquid death. Mango chainsaw. Let me just turn that off. Actually, no. Sorry, sorry. You just need to get right. Preset. There you go. Liquid death. Oh yeah. Liquid mango chainsaw. Flavored sparkling water. Oh yeah. So, it's in a gold can. It's sparkling water, 500ml. Murder your thirst. Don't mind if I do. There's probably calories in it. I forgot the rest. Now, let's continue the review. Oh, I forgot to say, Happy New Year. Oh yeah, okay. Liquid Death, going into 2024. With Liquid Death. It's meant to be mango. And it tastes like mango. Oh, that's crazy. But the main thing is it just tastes like water with a little bit of mango in it. It's actually quite mundane. Liquid Death. Mango chainsaw. If you're thirsty. Happy New Year. Liquid Death. If you're thirsty.